Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a project called Furio, yeah? And what is it all about? It's all about making money. I guess that's in general why we are in crypto, yeah? So let me show you guys, yeah? The steps are you buy the FUR tokens, yeah? You buy the FUR tokens and it's important, or I could give you an advice that if you buy them on the first swap, you have 0% tax, yeah? If you would buy them, for example, on PancakeSwap, then you would have to pay tax. So if you are interested in this project, it would make sense to buy it on their own swap, okay? Then you deposit the FUR tokens into the FUR vault and you start earning 2.5% daily, but it's capped. I will explain to you later, yeah? Then you can compound the balance by depositing your daily rewards, adding more FUR or via referral bonuses, okay? Taxation, all FUR rewards come from a 10% tax on all FUR transactions, excluding buys from the FUR swap, okay? So, as I've said, you get 2.5% daily, guys, 2.5% daily, but it is capped at up to 360% of the initial principal amount, or 100K max payout through compounding. That means if you, for example, deposit $1,000, you can earn up to $3,600, yeah, and then it is capped, and the maximum payout is $100K. Okay, so that's how it works. And what's also interesting is rewards stop accruing every 24 hours. You will need to decide whether to compound or claim every 24 hours. So that means you have to go back to the page and decide, do you want to claim or do you want to compound, yeah? But there's also the FUR Vault Auto Compounder. It is available for those that wish to automate the compounding of the daily returns every 24 hours, yes? Okay, so there's stable coin liquidity. FurSwap offers a function that waives the initial 10% tax on buys, yeah? Other DEXs will not waive this. I told you about this before, guys, yeah? Then we have the Furio referral system. So guys, you will find my link for this in the description. If you're interested, always do your own research before you invest your money in any of those projects, but you can build a team and then the entire team has a profit if the team is good, because I will show Furio fast teams, then you know why it makes sense to join a team, okay? So, variable rewards system, okay? A unique variable rewards program in order to protect the future of the ecosystem, okay? This means it depends on how many times you compound or how many times you take the rewards. This will have an impact on this rewards system for you, yeah? Then there's the fast program, okay? That's Furio accredited scheme teams. Teams will be listed on the Furio website and adapt with team details if you achieve a number of key points, yeah? Competitions and league tables if you want your team to participate, yeah? That means it makes sense to, for example, use my link and then we can make a good team, okay? And we can all make money together, yeah, guys? So, the anti-dump mechanics is also important, interesting fact, yeah? Not just a launch tax, but a permanent tax. Any wallet looking to sell FUR tokens which has no FUR in the vault will be charged a sales tax of 50%. It means if you want to sell everything and you don't keep anything, 50% tax. Makes sense to keep this project alive for a longer time, yeah? Any wallet looking to sell FUR tokens where the sale of tokens is greater than 25% of the number of tokens in the vault will be charged a sales tax of 50% also, yeah? And all wallets are allowed a max of one sales transaction per day, yeah? This is good, guys. This should help to make this sustainable somehow, yeah? Then there's the FUR Pool. FUR Pool offers incentives to add liquidity to the FUR USDC liquidity pool. So guys, the steps are get a MetaMask, buy USDC because it's on the Binance Smart Chain, yeah? Then you swap your USDC for FUR and then you can put them in the vault and start earning, yeah? There's a link to the white paper I showed you. There's the exchange, the vault, swap liquidity, deflation, and stability. We talked about this. If you want to see this more in detail, just take a look at the white paper, okay? Let me show you the first swap. Here you can see USDC. You change USDC for FUR, okay? Here, easy as that. Deposit directly into the vault. If you click this, then you will have them in the vault, okay? Here's the FUR vault. Here you can see your balance, what you have claimed, your reward rate, and participant status, guys, okay? Then there's the FUR pool, and then you will see here the team. You will see all those steps. I mean the link to my team in the description, and then you will have the chance to participate in this fast rewards system. So yeah, guys, that's the project. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.